This is a waterproof fishing bag, and here's what the backpack looks like. As you can see, it's built with a fully waterproof design and submersible zipper to help keep the gears protected from water. The backpack includes a built-in rod holder, making it convenient to carry fishing rods and hand freight. You can also see the inflatable air valve, which adds extra air inside when needed. The padded weight strap, they are designed to keep distribute weight more comfortable during long trips. There are multiple gear loops and attachment points around the back, making it easy to organize tools and accessories. The top handle is sturdy and reinforced, which is useful for quick lifting and carrying. Overall, this backpack is designed for durability, organization, and water protection, making it a practical option for fishing, kayaking, or outdoor adventures.